Being technicians in the field of dryer vent cleaning means we've seen tons of crazy stuff. We've seen vents full of water, bugs, rats, money, burnt lint, and much, much more. But with everything crazy we've seen, what's the craziest? Well, here's the top 10 craziest dryer vent cleanings of all time. At number 10 on the list, we have Big Clumpy. Big Clumpy got its nickname from all the giant wads of lint in this vent. It hadn't been cleaned since the year 2000. That's 24 years worth of lint. At number 9, we have a dryer vent that was improperly connected and had come disconnected in the wall. Because of this, there was years and years of lint blowing within these walls of the home, and it created some pretty crazy, what looks like lint blankets. At number 8, we have a do-it-yourself home project that went terribly wrong. The customer tried to clean their own vent and lost the tool. Look at all the dust and lint that comes out. It's wild.
There's definitely still a bird back. Oh, you hear all that?
At number 7, we're on the rooftop of a laundromat. With all the cycles a laundromat does, this is a crazy amount of lint. Coming in at number 6, we have a dryer vent that was covered with an air duct cover. Because of this, no lint was able to expel, and it got extremely backed up with lint. This was the very first time this vent has ever received a cleaning, and you will see we see some massive clumps here. At number 5, we have the forbidden lint rope. This occurred when dryer sheets and lint combined together to make this one big rope. Here's how it looked on the cleaning.
Whoa. It's like a magic trick.
At the number 4 spot, we have 49 years of lint. This vent hadn't been cleaned since 1975. I'm sure this lint is older than some of us watching today. At the number 3 spot, we have another dryer vent that had never been cleaned. This is by far the most lint I've ever seen in a dryer vent.
Whoa. Oh my God, oh. Well, this is the first cleaning in about 45 years, so that is clean. All right, let's get this. Oh, wow.
At the number 2 spot, we have the dryer from Barbieland. This nail salon only dried pink towels and all the lint was pink. This was definitely an anomaly and probably the only time we'll ever see lint a color like this. Burnt lint. And at the #1 spot for the craziest dryer vent cleanings of all time, we have the forbidden toothpaste.